Time management. It may seem like second nature to us adults, but it's an alien concept for kids who need to learn and practice these skills from scratch. For children, especially those with ADHD and other executive function challenges, managing time can be like navigating through a maze. It's crucial to teach them the concept of time from a young age, providing a scaffold as their schedules evolve and responsibilities grow. Before we dive into the solutions, it's pivotal to understand why time management is tricky for kids. It's not just one skill but a blend of many: planning, staying focused, multitasking, and much more. Every child's brain develops at its own pace, grappling with these abstract concepts differently. Like any skill, time management requires a solid foundation and consistent practice from an early age. This early acquisition of skills pays dividends as children venture into the teenage years and adulthood, helping them to navigate through high school and beyond with ease. So, how can we make time management fun and effective for kids? Here are 4 transformative tips. Practice long-term thinking. Encourage kids to plan for long-term activities and set incremental goals. Use a calendar or planner. Let kids visualize their schedule. Encourage them to personalize it, making it a fun and engaging activity. Let them have fun. Turn learning into a game. Encourage them to beat personal records and reward progress with planned free time. Work with a coach. A professional coach can provide unique strategies tailored to your child's needs, offering a new perspective on time management. In a world that's racing against the clock, instilling time management skills in kids is like gifting them a compass for life's journey. It's not just about getting tasks done, it's about nurturing a balanced, enriched life from the get-go. Remember, the goal is to make time management a fun, enlightening experience for kids, leading them to a path of self-discovery and growth. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until then, keep making every moment count.